Hi viewers, in this video I am going to demonstrate how to protect your Excel sheet, how to protect a specific column or specific area in Excel worksheet. In this example, I can edit any of the columns in the Excel book, but which is highlighted in yellow, that is protected. I can't modify the value of the column E. So based on the value given in column C and D, the value will be updated in column E. So here I'm going to explain how to protect the Excel columns or specific area. So for demonstration purpose, I took another sheet. Here I have the values basic, HRA, PF, gross, net. For HRA, PF, gross, net, I have applied formulas for the columns. So I have to allow the person who is going to enter in the Excel sheet only to change the column C. Apart from that, I should protect the Excel sheet. So I should allow column C only for editing purpose. Now I'm going to explain how to protect it. So first go to review tab. Here there is an option allow edit range. Select it. Here it will ask the range value for editing. Allow the user to edit. So if you want, you can give title for this and select the column range which you want to allow for edit. Click OK. So now we have selected the column which we can allow for editing. So apart from this C column, we are protecting the rest of Excel sheet. So you can give here protect sheet. So it will ask the password. So you can give the password and you should keep remember the password. If you forget the password, you cannot edit the rest of the area in future. So now I give value. Based on the value, it calculate HRA, PF, gross and net. So if I try to edit the column apart from basic, means it throws error. So I cannot edit the any other column apart from C. So hope this will be helpful to some of your day by day work. Here in same way I explained this sheet also. For example, I'm unprotecting it. So now it is unprotected. So if you want to change it, means it will allow to change. So now again I'm going to demonstrate the same thing how you can protect the column. So first you have to go to review tab, allow edit the range of cell. So I'm deleting the previous one. So here the column C, D and F should be in edit range. Only I protect E column. So there are different ranges are there. So you can select different ranges in two ways. One, you can select the ranges C column and by pressing I'm cancelling it. Allow editing. So I'm deleting the existing formula and go to new range and I'm choosing column A and D. Okay, select column C, and by pressing the control button select the column D, and by pressing same control button you select the F column. So now selected 3 columns. Now go to allow edit range, delete the existing one, give new. So it will choose C column, D column and F column. Click OK. OK. Now protect the sheet. You can save the Excel sheet. So now if you try to edit, means you can edit the rest of the columns but not the column E. So likewise you can use it for the protection of specific area or specific column in Excel sheet. Thank you.